Hello, my name is Danny Francis, and I'm here to walk you through how to download your raw data from 23andMe. To get started, log into your account at 23andMe. In the upper corner, by your profile picture, click on the drop-down arrow. It will show you this menu where you'll click on Settings. It'll take you to this page, then scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you'll see this section by Download Your Data. Click on the View button. Then it will ask you to put in your birth date for security. Once you've done that, click the Confirm button. Again, scroll to the bottom of this page until you see this section. Click on Download Raw Data. Then come to this page, scroll again to the bottom, read the information, and once you've done that, you can click the checkbox and click Submit Request. Once you've done that, it will take you to this page. It may take them a few days to fulfill your request. Once they do fulfill it, you'll receive an email with a message that looks like this. You can click on the button in the email and it will take you back to your 23andMe account. Once you've logged in and put in the security confirmation, you can click on this button that says Download Raw Genotyping Data. And that's it. Just like that, you've downloaded your raw data from 23andMe.